Minnie, Manny. They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny. They came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie Manny. Bees, don't go!
One, two, three, 4, 5. This spot is perfect. I did what you asked. I buried the box. I want that racket at once. Once I get my racket, I'll win all my tennis matches.
Everything looks just perfect.
Yeah, the Shop-a-Lots have been staying away from Earth.
Well, maybe they've changed their big plans.
I hope so.
What is it, Yumok? What is that flying dark object?
Hey there, Omer! Where are you going?
To the meadows. They say that bees are leaving the world. I want to see if it's true or not.
Oh, bees are leaving the world? Oh no!
Without the bees, things would be terrible. Why is that? Fresh fruits and vegetables would decrease, and flowers would fade, and our life here on Earth would end slowly. There would be no honey? Of course not. I hope the bees don't leave. I love bread and honey.
Bees are rising up to the sky, leaving our world. It's the same news around the world.
Oh, that is terrible. The bees can't live anywhere but Earth.
And the Earth can't live without the bees.
I think I need to look deeper into this bee problem.
Are the Shop-a-Lots doing this, Neşe?
I'm not sure. We'll see. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word.
Be careful, dear.
Don't worry, Mom.
Hey, welcome, Neşe. I did everything I could to stop the bees from leaving. I tried the sleep ray and power beams, but none of it has been really working.
Let me try. Dear bees, what's going on? Where are you going? So you're escaping? What is it that bothers you the most, little guys? I get that. Please wait a little bit longer. We'll fix this, rest assured.
Whoa, you really can understand the bees.
Thanks to the medallion, I can understand all animals. I should contact Minnie and Manny.
Hello there, guys. Is there a problem?
That's right, a very serious one. All of the bees are leaving the Earth.
But how come?
There's a new sound on the Earth that's bothering them. The sound is ruining their little wings and also hurting their eyes.
So then they have every right to leave.
But the bees are so important for Earth, though. Without them, humans can't survive.
We need to find the source of the sound that bothers the bees.
We'll check the moon and the area around the Earth.
And we'll scan the area around us.
All right, see you soon. It's awfully quiet here.
We can already see the consequences.
The flowers have started to fade away.
Hello, Neşe.
Hello there, Gulchin.
Why do you look so sad?
Because I am very sad, Gulchin. All of the bees are leaving the earth.
That's right, I heard. I guess we can't have honey for breakfast.
This is not about honey. Flowers blossom thanks to the bees, trees grow fruits, and vegetables grow tall. Without them, there will be drought and life won't be able to exist on Earth anymore.
I never thought of all that. This is way too sad.
It's real serious, Gulchin.
I want to cancel the bee plan. If the bees leave, it will be dangerous for Earth. I can't let that happen. Where is that spot? Huh? Leave me alone! Let me go! Help me!
What? Hey, that's Gulchin's voice.
It's a Shop-a-Lot ship.
It's a moon security system warning.
Help me!
Hang in there, Gulchin. I'm coming. Come on, beam power!
This has a strong gravity force. I can't stop it.
Never mind me. Count 5 steps from the tree below the big row of flowers. I hid the new sound device there.
Huh?
Huh?
Goochlu, you go save the bees, and I will go after the ship. Whoop!
Be careful, Neşe.
Don't worry about me.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Found it! That's it, it's off. They're coming back. How did Gulchin know that the device was buried there anyway?
Too late. Neşe already knows where the device is buried, okay? She's probably already shut it off. Without the bees, there will be no life on Earth. This was a terrible plan. My Shop-a-Lot racket! Okay, I want that racket. I want to get rid of Neşe and her friends too. But I don't want to see Earth come to an end. Let me go! You can't keep me here! Hey, let me go! I am your one and only friend on Earth, so let me go! Hey! Turn these beams off right now! I can't get out of here! I'm trapped in this cell!
Gulchin?
Neşe? What are you doing here?
I came to save you. There's gotta be a power button.
Oh, I am free!
Now, let's go find a way out of here. Get behind me, Gulchin! Come on, shield power!
Neşe, they're coming from that way too!
Minnie and Manny are here.
Come on, Manny. Let's send the moon safety robot now.
Moon safety robot coming up!
No Shop-a-Lot is able to breach our security system and land on Earth.
They can try, but it's not gonna end well for them.
Robot, catch them all.
Now it's time for the shake and launch.
Wait a minute, Manny. Stop.
What is it, Minnie?
Neşe's inside the Shop-a-Lot ship.
Yes, there she is. Let's get the robot away from there.
Oh, wow. Gulchin's there, too.
Minnie, Manny, you saved our lives. Thank you very much.
Don't even mention it. This is exactly what friends are for, team. Now hold tight, everybody. It's time to send the Shop-A-Lot ship back home. Robot, grab. Now shake and launch.
That's it, they're gone. Now let's give you a ride home.
Hey, sis! All the bees have come back!
Yeah, I know. With Gulchin's help, we saved our world once again.
Oh, really?
Gulchin told us where the device was that was scaring the bees away.
How did Gulchin know where it was in the first place?
Because I placed the device there.
Why did you do that?
I apologize to every one of you. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have trusted the Shop-A-Lots. Neşe, I am so sorry.
Gulchin, did I do something to offend you in some way?
You play tennis better than me. A while ago, everyone envied me. But now they envy you.
We all feel that way sometimes, Gulchin. When you win, I feel sad about it. But it's not a problem. Losing is as normal a thing as winning. What matters is having fun. Isn't that right?
You're right, Neşe. Thank you so much for everything. See you later.
See you later.
I never trusted her to begin with. I hope that she learned a lesson from this big mess.